Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Monday. So today we are working on an absolute value problem, and the question gives us that the absolute value of 4x minus 7 is equal to 5, and the absolute value of 3 minus 8x is equal to 1. Now the question asks us to find what value of x satisfies both of the equations above. So if you remember what the absolute value means, it basically means that whatever inside of those lines is going to be turned positive. So that means that if inside of here comes out to be a negative 5, you're going to turn that positive, or if it's already positive and it's a positive 5, it will stay positive. So the way I like to set these problems up is to write two separate equations for just this top equation here. So I will turn this into 4x minus 7 equals 5, or 4x minus 7 equals negative 5. And again, that's because this value, even if it comes out to be a negative 5, since it's inside of these lines, you're going to take the absolute value of it and it's going to become a positive 5. So let's go ahead and start with this equation here, and we are going to get 4x is equal to 12, x equals 3. Moving over to this equation, we'll get 4x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1/2. So now we need to go ahead and do the same thing for the second equation. We could kind of skip ahead and just plug these x values in and see which one works out, but I'm going to go ahead and do it the long way just for practice. So again, I'm going to split this up into two separate equations, and I'm going to get 3x, there we go, 3 minus 8x is equal to 1, or 3 minus 8x is equal to negative 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve for x, so I'm going to get negative 8x is equal to 4, x is equal to negative 1/2. Did I make a mistake there? Nope, that's good. And over here, I'm going to get negative 8x is equal to negative 4, and I'm going to get x is equal to 1/2. Oops, 1/2. There we go. And sorry, I noticed I did make a mistake over here. This should be a negative 2. And this should be a positive 1/4. I thought something was off there, I just didn't see it. Okay, so now taking a look at our answer choices, we are going to notice that in this case we have x equals 1/2, and over here we also have x equals 1/2. So just for good measure, I'm going to go ahead and plug that in and make sure it works out. So the absolute value of 4 times 1/2 minus 7 is equal to 5. So this gives us 2 minus 7. Absolute value equals 5. 2 minus 7 is negative 5. The absolute value of that is equal to positive 5. So it checks out here. Now let's go ahead and plug it into the next one. So we have the absolute value of 3 minus 8 times 1/2 is equal to 1. So now we have the absolute value of 3 minus 4 is equal to 1. And now we have the absolute value of negative 1 is equal to 1, which is also true because remember, anytime you have anything inside of the absolute value sign that's negative, it becomes positive. So I hope this video was helpful. This question was rated as a medium difficulty, and if you did have any problems, I recommend going back and essentially just reviewing your absolute values. I am a math tutor, and my email will be in the description box if you need any math tutoring or have any additional questions or problem requests. Alright, well, if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, thank you for watching.